Okay, that's better. This stone, by the way, I believe, because of this and another little spot somewhere, oh, on the other side there, I think there may be a big spiral fossil. Maybe one day I can have it split open. Three little punctures. I think these aren't very good. Find the right key. Okay. I borrowed a tire pump from my neighbor. I need to return it before 10 o'clock tomorrow morning because she needs to pump her bike before going to work. So, this is the tube, and this is a puncture repair kit. Okay, so our punctured part is 3 little punctures here. We've got some sandpaper. We're going to sandpaper it, roughen up the surface a little, apply some chalk. I can find the box. The instructions say, roughen the inner tube surface, spread rubber adhesive evenly and sparingly over the area and leave approximately for 4 minutes. I think we can do that. Oxford rubber solution. This has a thing so we can pop and sparingly, that means just, there we go. We wait 4 minutes before adding this. It says don't touch the adhesive substance. Okay, we're counting 4 minutes. I just add a dollop more, a dash more. Okay, here's our these that we want to apply without touching. pressing this down. Alright. Remove backing from a patch and apply to the area with adhesive. Do not touch adhesive surfaces. Press patch firmly from the center outwards. Leave for a further 2 minutes. If you're wondering, I'm using a Pringles tub as my phone stand. So we will inflate the tire partially and then put it inside the tire. By no means the cleanest job, but we have a puncture repaired. Now I need to pump it up. I've just discovered another puncture. I'm sure that looks comical, but we've covered the punctures and I've just smeared some glue. Maybe that's going to help make it tougher. It appears to be holding. I've not pumped it up fully yet, but I'm hearing no leaks. Now partially inflated, partially deflated. I'm going to wait for this to dry a bit more before I put it inside the tire. I've got the inner tube in. I was careful not to pinch anything. I tried to get this on. Using this attachment will help. Oh, it won't. Guess this is the way to do it. You put that in at the very start and then screw the nut. Now we have it halfway on. We just need to get this rubber rim on the inside. It can be pried. I need 2 hands though. We're getting close. Success. Let's just hope I've not pinched the inner tube or damaged it with the screwdriver. Right, it's pumped. Feels good. That's tight. I need to reattach this. I think there's a braking mechanism. It goes in there like that. I think you're supposed to twiddle this like this. A real mechanic would do that. Okay. Excellent. Deflector's back on.